How to delete collection on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete collection on Facebook Lite. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook, and now just click these three lines here in the top corner, and after you click on it just go down until you find saved, this one here, and click on it, and then click collections and select any collection, and click this three lines here, three points, and then click delete collection and delete. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.